Hi, Sarah Root here, and today's Skyward tip and trick is around IEP goal area codes. So something I've noticed with working with teachers and reading IEPs is that there's a lot of other goals. And I think what's happening is that they're clicking, when you click here, it goes down to social and then it stops, and you're not quite sure, like if you have a writing goal or work habits goal, you can't find the code. And so you're choosing other, which is fine, but there's a better and faster way to do this. And I always recommend deleting that before you do anything else. But you can click on goal area and it'll actually go through and list all the 15 different goal areas that are in the system. If you just click through them, you can do that. But I actually have a faster way. I've created an infographic for that, but I also have memorized these goal codes, and I'm going to show you that first. So I know that writing is WR. So if I just put in WR, I can just go ahead and click on that goal. So if you know the codes, it becomes a lot easier. So to make it a little bit quicker for everyone, I've created an infographic for you on those goal codes. Use that so then your goal area code, the goal area, is correctly reflecting the goal that you're writing on your IEP. That's my Skyward trick and tip for you. Thanks so much. Bye.